Hey guys, what is up? I'm back again with another video. So in this tutorial, you guys already know what I'm going to be talking about by the title. You guys already know. So I'm going to be talking about the new They're Real Magnet Benefit Mascara. You guys, I'm just going to let you guys see this because I don't want to spoil it. So jump into the tutorial. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post and give me a like. Without further ado, let's just jump right in. Benefit Club Pink. So yeah, we get a box every month. So this month we received their Real Magnet Mascara. So it's extra length, powerful lift, 40% longer, extended brush with a magnetically charged core. Draws lashes out to extreme lengths. Okay. The packaging, I haven't tried it at all yet. I'm going to try it out with you guys. I like the OG one, They're Real Mascara, and I don't have another one to test, like I ran out. So we're just going to try out this one, okay? So this is the packaging. It pretty much looks the same. It just has a different thing where it has like the magnetic little thing, like little horseshoe kind of little thing. I don't know. The other one is like glossier. This is like more matte, and it looks like a piece of metal, kind of like, you know what I mean? I don't know. So it looks pretty cool. This color is in the shade Supercharged Black. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. So the brush is different because the other brush had like a little ball at the top. So yeah, this is like way different. I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit, that way you can see I have no lashes. They're super small. They don't have like a curl to them. They're just super straight and normal. Showing you guys like this. This is how it looks. Nothing on them. So I'm gonna go in with the first coat, and this is what it is. So going in with the first coat. Okay. I know you guys could see how they look. Like they're longer and it's just one coat, and I am shook. Okay, look at this lash. Like, look at these lashes. They're so little. They're like not even there. So for it to look like this with just one coat, I'm impressed. So we're gonna go in with the second coat. I dipped my brush back in, and we're just gonna go in with the second coat just to see, you know, what it is, how it looks. I feel like it is real. Like this is so freaking good. For sure I'm gonna get my mom this mascara because she has baby lashes like me. So this is second coats. This is the second coat. It just got a little thicker and a little bit longer. Like, I like it a lot. Like, I feel like I could actually wear my no makeup looks like this, and I feel like I have like falsies, you know. So we're gonna go in with the third coat just to go in with the third coat. Let's just jump right in. Okay. Okay, I hope you guys can see this. I really do. Y'all can't tell me this doesn't look like falsies, like natural looking falsies. I do like the spider lashes look, so I don't mind it getting clumpy or anything. This is very impressive. Like, I know you guys could see this, right? I hope you guys could see this. I am beyond shook right now. Okay, is this gonna be my new favorite mascara? What? I already love Benefit's mascaras. My favorite one is the Bad Gal Lash, but I feel like I've never gotten my lashes to look like this with that mascara. But it's pretty bomb. It's really bomb. But yeah, I'm in love. I'm gonna do this other eye off camera and I'll be right back. So I did this eye off camera, and I am beyond impressed of how long they look, and in just like 3 coats, you know. Even with the first coat, I could have just been cool with it, like just run out the house real quick. Did the second coat, was like instantly longer, thicker, and now with the third coat, I feel like I'm wearing falsies, and I love mascaras that make my eyelashes look like that. It's really hard to find mascaras that actually work, but Benefit, you guys, congrats on this product because it is amazing. So I'm gonna finish my makeup off camera and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I did not put any falsies and I feel super cute, you guys. So I am gonna apply this on my lower lashes with you guys. So right away you could see the length. This is just 1 coat, and I'm not gonna put another coat because I don't think super crazy, but my bottom lashes are super short as well. So this is my final thoughts. So they gave length, thickness, and they just look really good. I got a little messed up because I did my eyeshadow last, but obviously when you do your eyes first, then when your mascara, you know, I just wanted you guys to see without anything on my eyes, but I am in love, you guys. I for sure think you guys should go run out and go get it because it's just amazing, you guys. Not even that I'm just on their PR list, but I love Benefit's mascaras, any of them. It's probably going to be my new favorite mascara. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think about it. So before you guys head out, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. Alright guys, I love you, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye guys.